Now, what happens once we receive offers on your home? Once we get an offer on your home, it's when the fun actually begins. Time to party. It can be stressful. If you don't receive the amount you were hoping for, don't worry. That is why you hire a good negotiator like me and my company. Hi, I'm Lily Whittington with EXP Luxury. I am a Master Certified Negotiation Expert. There are only 1% of agents across the nation who actually have this designation, so which I find alarming because knowing how to properly negotiate on your behalf is essential, not only to getting you the most amount of money on your home, but also negotiating the best terms for you. Once you receive offers on your home, there are a few essential components that need to be done prior to meeting with you. To discuss the offers, we vet all the buyers by calling the agent and the lender and actually making sure the buyer is truly qualified. We verify funds and we ask questions. We actually find out about how motivated and in love with your home the buyer is during this process. We also are getting to learn about the buyer's agent and lenders to see how much experience they have. If they properly educate the buyer, we get an idea to see how they're going to be able to be when we work with them. Believe it or not, the buyer's agent is just as important to ensuring the deal will actually close as the buyer's qualification. After vetting the buyer, the realtor and the lender, then we meet with you to discuss the offer and to actually review the terms. We will give you our advice and feedback on the offers in regards to the pros and cons of each. But ultimately, you make the decision as to which offer you take and what we should counter, but we advise you now. If we have more than one offer, there is another process that we like to go through. We give an offer deadline date. Then we actually do a counter offer to all of the offers. And we request the highest and best before we even go and sit down with you. Once we have all those meet with you to discuss which of these offers you would like to counter generally. This gives us an opportunity to get the highest price from the buyer and the best terms for you. So to speak, at this time, the buyer can choose to accept our terms or counter us back. You have the opportunity to choose which offer you would like to take at that time. And again, we will advise you for the pros and cons of each. Once we come to terms, we are now officially in escrow. Now watch the next video to find out what happened and what to expect regarding timelines. And those types of things, understand that. In most cases, the average time frame to close on a home is usually around 30 days, give it or take it. If you're dealing with cash, you can close in 10 days, but asking the title company will be more realistic. Watch the next video to learn more, and as always, Lily Whittington with EXP Luxury. We'd love to help you, so give us a call. Anytime, when you do what you love, people love what you do. Make it a great home to sell and buy day.